what I do, but translating it through her. Like, ako talagang streamer ako since 2018.
About him, and how does it feel to have an empowered woman as your
well, for men in general, para sa mga lalaki, responsibility po namin is to mag-provide sa pamilya, right? So, ang saying po namin is, I bring home the bacon. Ang ginagawa or responsibility ni Rona is cook the bacon, you know, for everyone. So I bring it home, she cooks it. But this time, pwede naman magpalit kami ng konti. Like, she could bring home the bacon and then kakain na lang ako. No, but I'm just kidding. First and foremost, like when I first got here, it's great to see my wife shine. Usually ako yung nasa spotlight, and iba ngayon eh. Like I feel very proud. There's a lot of pride coming from what I do, but translating it through her. Like ako talagang streamer ako since 2018. So ilang years po yan? 8 years ako nagla-live stream. Pero when I saw her do it, man, I was like, far out. I've been streaming for 8 years. At meron siyang mga diskarte na ginagawa sa live stream na di ko ginagawa. So meaning she's really putting her own soul, her own mind, her own tactics in live selling. Because hindi pwedeng maganda ka lang. Kailangan talaga matalino ka pa. Or marunong ka mag-entertain. Hindi pwedeng English lang, ha? Kailangan may Tagalog din. Kasi yung mga viewers natin, hindi puro Englishero. Walang translation yan. Pero the way she explains the knowledge that she now has in 3 months, I'm flabbergasted talaga. Like, sobrang gulat ako na marami siyang alam tungkol sa diamonds. And that's why, just like, I go back to this, the first part is, I'm just very, very proud to see her stand, not in the spotlight, but stand alone. Na wala ako. Kaya niyang gawin yan. Even to a point where she will even exceed, or already, 3 months, she's already passed me. And that what I've done in 8 years. Grabe, ang galing niya. So, I'm very proud of her.